Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, May 16th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. Pretty boring today. Almost went asleep trying to watch the markets. There's just not too much happening. We only had two positions coming in, and unfortunately, neither of them did as well as I wanted to, but we still made money, so I can't really complain about that. Dow, started to go sideways, and then it actually did gain some. Dow gained 44 points today, but it was just a lackluster rally, and I really didn't want it to gain. So, but nevertheless, that's what happened. We did close out $5,600 in closed out trades. We did get into three positions, and none of them did anything. But at the same time, we're only holding $1,100 negative in open trade over the weekend, so that's nothing to lose sleep about. Anyway, as I say, not too much to talk about today. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and we've had this big plunge and then flattening out, but it did not want to stay down. It rallied some, and we had a 44-point gain. What I'm not real pleased about is you can see here, it bounced off our second red line. I really wanted it to go through that. It did not. It bounced off it, and now we're right back up here between these two red lines, and that is not where I want to be. I'm fearful this thing will just go into a trading range between these lines, and that is not what we want to have happen. Eventually we want to see it get way above this, and it was way above it a few days ago, but I really don't think this sell-off has done enough to re-energize the market. I could be wrong, but I would really like to see it fall out of bed and go down a couple 300 more points, but we'll just have to see. It's not going to hurt us if it does go down 200 or 300 more points. I will assure you it's going to hurt us more if it stays in a trading range between these lines. That's my reading of it. I have nothing new to show you here today, but I will show you the two trades. And this was kind of, this is Clovis, and it did such a beautiful job yesterday. We'd gotten into that 2 days ago and closed against us, and then we got this beautiful gap up, and there, we're way up there in our equity, and then this morning it just couldn't hold it, and it comes down, and we're actually stopped out here, but we are stopped out with about $2,500 in profit. So if you got to be stopped out, let's at least get stopped out with profits, but it sure would have been nice to have taken our profits up there instead. We did a little better with our other trade in VIPs, Vishop. We had gotten that into that a couple days ago and had a nice rally yesterday, and we didn't quite get out. We didn't get out at the top, but we took out most of that. We were, I think around $3,000 on Vishop. I think it's over 3,000. Anyway, good trade in Vishop. A little disappointing in Clovis, but that's the way it goes. Hey, I want to remind you that this is Friday, and I'm going to be in the hospital next week, and I'm not going to be doing videos, so don't think I've run out on trading. I haven't. I am looking forward to a little rest from the markets, but this medical problem has nothing to do with stress of the markets. But I will be back after next week, never fear. So this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you in a week. Take care now.